Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸 with another tutorial whether how you can connect your X account with Buffer. So to connect your X account, go to your Buffer account, and to connect it, either you can find X here on the sidebar, or you can go to connect a new channel under new button menu, and then click on X. It will ask you to sign into your account if you're not logged into your account already on the same browser. So sign into your account. Now it's asking you to authorize the app to access your X account. Just click on Authorize App and confirm your account. And then click on Finish Connection. Now your X account has just been connected with Buffer. Well, here you can select your posting goals, or you can just skip it for now. And this is how you can connect your X account with Buffer. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.